Tried to paint a deer today, so there's many different subtle differences in shades in a deer's fur. It's not just like all one color. This is a kind of a young deer, I guess, and so just very patiently try to get the various planes of shades or values that appeared on the deer's coat, and it was slow going, and the eye, I thought if I got the eye good, then the rest of the thing would just pop into riveting focus and depth, and but I didn't really get the eye that good, so sorry, I look more like a kangaroo than a deer, but anyway, just kept working on it patiently and adding details slowly, and sort of changing their shape subtly, and it looks pretty awful, but a lot of fun, and a great warm-up painting, I guess. Here's to a prolific day painting.